Hello everyone, let's learn how to fix Messenger notes not showing. If your Messenger notes are not showing, we have compiled a few effective solutions and troubleshooting tips to fix the problem and regain access to the notes feature on Messenger. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. So when you open Messenger app on your device, and you didn't see notes feature, first method to get notes is to go to update Messenger app. You will do that by going on Play Store or App Store, then type Messenger and go to see if it has an update button. If there is, click on it and wait a couple of seconds to update the app. If this method doesn't working, follow this second method. Second method is to go on settings of your phone. Next you can scroll down to find apps option, or you can go on search bar and type apps and go on it. Then go on Manage Apps field. Now on this menu you can see all apps on your phone, and you can scroll down to find Messenger, or you can go on search bar and type Messenger, and go on it. When you do that, we need to clear data from Messenger app, on that way we all clear old updates from Messenger. And if this doesn't working, maybe Messenger doesn't allow this update for your region, so to fix it you need to download any VPN on your device, and go to uninstall Messenger, and when you do that go to turn on VPN and download Messenger app and you will get notes on app, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.